Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink in LinkedIn post. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to linkedin.com and then from here, make sure to sign in. Then when you sign in, you'll be taken to your home page inside LinkedIn. That will look similar to this. Then from here, click onto start a post. Alright, so first what we need to do is create that post. So how to create a hyperlink in a LinkedIn post. Then I'm going to hit enter. And now from here, I'm going to do at YouTube, like so. So now that's linking to YouTube LinkedIn page. And then hit space again. And then from here, I'm going to type in youtube.com. And as you can see, YouTube will appear here. So I'm going to click onto that. It's going to redirect you to YouTube. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on post. And it'll say post successful. And now I'm going to click on not now. And here's the post. And now when I click on YouTube, LinkedIn page should appear like so. Now I'm going to head back. And now when I click on this link here, YouTube, it's going to take you to YouTube. Now what we're going to do here is write article. So I'm going to click on write article. I'm going to click get started. Then you can give it a title and then write your article. So I'm going to do hyperlink as hyperlink tutorial. And then I'm going to paste in how to create a hyperlink in LinkedIn post. And now here where it says how to create hyperlink in LinkedIn post, if I highlight hyperlink like so. And then on the top here, we've got a link. So we can link anything we like here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to paste my YouTube channel name here. And now you can see there that is now hyperlinked in this post.